Welcome back to Math Hedgie. Today, we have a negative exponent puzzle that looks terrifying at first glance. We've got negative numbers. We've got negative exponents. And it's a huge sum going all the way from negative 100 up to positive 100. If you tried to type this into a calculator, you'd be here all day. But here's the secret: this question isn't about calculating 100 different terms. It's about spotting a pattern. And once you see it, you can solve it in about 30 seconds. Let's start with the basics. What happens when we raise negative 1 to power? If the power is odd, negative 1 stays negative. If the power is even, negative 1 becomes positive. So negative 1 to any power is always either 1 or negative 1. It just depends on whether the exponent is odd or even. Now you might be looking at those negative exponents like negative 100, negative 99, negative 98 and panicking. Let's recall the rule for negative indices. A to the power of negative n equals 1 over a to the power of n. So, what is negative 1 to the power of negative 100? It's 1 over negative 1 to the power of 100. And we already know that. Negative 1 raised to an even power, like 100, is positive 1. So the first term is 1. Let's try the next one. Negative 1 to the power of negative 99. That's 1 over negative 1 to the power of 99. Since 99 is odd. So negative 1 to the power of 99 equals negative 1. Therefore, 1 over negative 1 is negative 1. See the pattern already. The negative exponents aren't scary anymore. They just give us 1 or minus 1, exactly the same as positive exponents do. Now let's write out more terms in this huge series. 98 is even. Plus 1. 97 is odd. Minus 1. And this pattern continues, all the way through 0 up to 100. Now what happens when we add all these? Look at the pairs. Positive 1 plus negative 1 is 0. Every time we have a minus 1 followed by a plus 1. They cancel out. If everything cancels out, the answer would be 0, right? But wait, watch what happens when we get to the very end. Our sum finishes at exponent plus 100. The second last term is negative 1 to the power of 99. 99 is odd. So that's minus 1. Does it pair with the term before it? Well, we already used that one. That means the last term gets left out. Everything else before it has been cancelled away by its partner. So the entire massive sum just collapses down to a single number. All that's left is that final plus 1. So the answer is simply 1. The key takeaway: don't be intimidated by big ranges or negative exponents. Look for the pattern. Here the pattern was that half the terms cancel, and just one extra positive remains. If you enjoyed this puzzle, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.